Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you why you should work hard and work smart if you want to be successful. A lot of people are all for one type of work. They think either you just have to work smart or you just have to work hard. And if you want to be really successful, you have to have both of those traits. Now let me break it down for you. I'm going to be talking about 3 imaginary people to explain this. Imaginary person number 1 makes $10 an hour and works 10 hours a day, every single day, 7 days a week. So that person is making $10 an hour. So they're not really working that smart because they're making a relatively low wage, but they're working hard. They're working 10 hours a day. So they're not working smart, but they're working hard, okay? $10 an hour, 10 hours a day. That person is making $100 a day. Imaginary person number 2 is making $100 an hour, but only working 1 hour a day. So they're working smart because they're getting a really high wage, but they're not working hard because they're, only working 1 hour a day. So if you look at imaginary person number 1, they're making $100 a day. Imaginary person number 2 is making $100 a day. They each have just one trait. One is just working hard, one is just working smart. They allow themselves to be capped at the same level as each other. So if you just work hard, you're gonna hit a ceiling, and it'll be the same ceiling as a person that just works smart, okay? You can be successful just working hard or just working smart, but you won't be super successful. If you wanna be super successful, you have to be like imaginary person number 3, which is the person who says, wow, look at imaginary person number 1 and 2. What if I take the best of both worlds? What if I work smart and I make $100 an hour, but I also work hard and I work 10 hours a day? So at $100 an hour, working for 10 hours a day, that brings imaginary person number 3 to $1,000 a day, which makes this imaginary person number 3 10 times as successful as imaginary person number 1 and 2. Okay? Very simple. And 5 times as successful as imaginary person number 1 and 2 combined. All right? It's literally that simple. That is the easiest way for me to explain it to you and break it down. Okay? You need to work smart and work hard if you want to be really successful, super successful. If you just work smart, yes, you can achieve success, a small level of success. If you just work hard, yes, you can achieve a small level of success. But if you want to be like 10 times as successful as the average successful person, you have to be willing to work smart and work hard at the same time. That's why I think you need them both. And that's the easiest way that I could explain it to you in this video. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your opinion is on working hard or working smart or working hard and smart in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.